this video, I am going to discuss about G7 summit. In this video, I am going to tell what is G7, history of G7, and what are the functions of it G7 summit. First of all, what is G7? It is an organization formed by seven highly advanced economies. Means the seven highly advanced economies combined to form an organization called G7. G7 means group of seven to discuss about global problems, to discuss about the global problems that are taking place in all over the world, and to exchange their solutions, to exchange their solutions for the problems from each other. Next, what are those seven countries? First one is US, second one Canada, third UK, fourth France, Germany, Italy, and Japan. These are the seven advanced countries that are combined to form this group of seven countries. What is the history? Means initially it is a group of six. At first, it is only group of six countries and called as G6. They first met in 1975. First meeting of group of six countries held in 1975 to discuss about the global economic crisis. To discuss about global economic crisis. Later, Canada joined the following year. Canada joined the following year. Higher officials of these G7 countries meet throughout the year to discuss about global problems. Means higher officials of these G7 countries meet throughout the year to discuss about the global problems and to find a solution to that problem. In 1998, Russia joined the group and then became G8. Russia joined to this group of seven countries in 1998 and it became as G8, but later in 2014 it was removed as it annexed Crimea from Ukraine. Because of annexation of Crimea from Ukraine, Russia is removed from this G8 and again remained as G7 countries only, and again started meeting the summit as G7 only. Next, what are the functions of this G7 summit? First one, to discuss about the global issues and exchange their solutions of each other. Already discussed, to discuss about global issues. Next, some of the subjects discussed in last summits are, some of the subjects discussed in previous summits are energy policy, climate change, HIV, global security, fight against inequality, etc. These are some of the main important problems that were discussed in last previous summits. Next, representatives of other nations are also invited to attend. Means representatives of other nations are also invited. They are invitees to this G7 summit. Next, in 2019, 45th G7 summit held in France. 2019 45th up to 2019 the 45 summits are held. In 2019, G7 summit was held in France. Main focus of this summit is to fight against inequality. The main aspect of this 45th G7 summit is to fight against the inequality. Next, in 2020, 46th G7 summit is going to be held in US. Means 46th summit is going to held in US in G7 in 2020. Next, every year each country changes its venue host the G7 summit. In 2019, France hosted this G7 summit, and next in 2020, US is going to host this G7 summit, and in 2021, another country is going to host G7 summit. Next, participants include the leaders of participants, permanent participants of this. G7 summit includes the leaders of G7, means group of seven countries, the leaders of this group of seven countries, and representatives of the European Council, means representatives of these European councils are the permanently welcome participants. Means this European Council representatives are permanently welcome participants from 1981. Next, last point, G7 points to a number of successes, including helping to launch a global fund to AIDS, TB, malaria. G7 helped to launch This is launch a global fund to fight against AIDS, TB, and malaria. It says that it saved over 27 million lives since 2002. Since 2002, G7 summit saved 27 million lives by providing health health facilities and by providing funds to the countries. Okay, this is all about G7 group of 7 countries. Thank you.